Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add blank screen in Filmora. So if you want to add blank screen, here is how you can get it done. First thing you have to do is move in your timeline, then place your time frame here. So if you want to have the quick preview mode, just tap this button, then you'll be able to have it. Once you do that, then you can place it wherever you want to add a blank screen. Once you do that, just tap on the cut, then move your preview mode to under edge where you want to place your blank screen, then place it there again, then use this scissors icon and split the videos in between. Then you have a set of two videos which is split into two, and from there just tap on the backspace. Just tap on the backspace, then you can notice that videos they are all been cut out. But the reason why we could not have this blank screen at once is because the magnetic field for the timeline is still activated. So if you want to add blank screen after you already delete your video or your pictures which you added to your timeline, just tap on this option right here, which is disable magnetic timeline. Tap on it. Once you disable it, then try and drag your videos to the back, then you can have a blank screen from this angle to this angle. And if you want to have blank screen to you know the video, just try and drag your video to the back a little, then from there you can add a blank screen which is in between video to the other one where you have your video, and that's it. If you find the video, like and follow for